Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. I have a new toy and I want to show you. I'm so excited about this. So some time ago, a wonderful woman and her husband came into the garden, and she's a Kräuterhex, like a herbal witch from Germany. And she had brought a gift of some Hydrosols that she cooked from her garden in her tiny distillery. And my body just reacted on these essences, and I loved it from the very first moment. So she has helped me find the right tiny distillery to make essences from the herbs and the flowers in the garden, and I am super excited. So right now I am cooking some Hydrosols or Hydrolat from sage. I think sage is a woman's herb, and I really want that essence in my life. So I'm cooking up some of that also to give away as gifts. I can make about 100-150 milliliters in one go. So the water is here and the vapor passes through this column that's stacked with herbs, and then it's going through this pipe, and it's cooled with water from this bucket that's not so beautiful, but I need to find me a copper bucket. That would be amazing. And then it's condensating into this this vessel. I am ecstatic about this, and I'm so grateful that she showed it to me. And I've made rose water, I've made basil hydrosol, and all kinds of things, and my mind is racing with all the possibilities. And this also means that for winter I can save the essence and the power of the garden in these tiny blue bottles. It is so amazing, guys. And I also really like the shape and the fact that it's handmade, copper distillery, so beautiful. And if you are Danish, you probably remember when you were a child, there was a children's program on TV that was called Professor Balthasar, and I'm feeling like I am part of that. I'm reliving my childhood, guys. So excited. And it also means that now I'm walking around in the garden and looking at all the different kinds of herbs. So this is the sort of the herbal bed, and I have different kinds of artemisias. The light one over there, light green one, is also an artemisia, and I think they would be also very powerful. I can think of, you can make with thyme, you can make with very scented flowers, lavender of course, all kinds of things. You have to think about that some herbs will make your skin photosensitive, so use it only at night or not using it on the skin. So I'm learning, and I'm reading, and I'm experimenting, and I'm having the time of my life. And also I just picked a little something from the greenhouse. So we have lots of melons and crystal lemon cucumbers, and these amazing peppers. They are super delicious and fruity and not very strong, and amazing in a tomato soup that we have a lot, because we have a lot of tomatoes this year. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Can you feel the excitement and all the possibilities? See you.